Hi moms, let's make avocado and banana puree for my 5 month old. Very delicious, nutritious, and yummy. Naturally sweet as well. In the baby blender, I added some avocado and banana. I went in with formula milk for a very smooth blend, and I rolled the blender to blend for as long as possible. And this is just to ensure that every lumps and everything is completely taken out and is smooth, especially for a 5 month old. You need to check the formula milk or the breast milk you've added, either one works, to make sure that it's sufficient enough and the mixture is not too thick. And this is what you'll have, very creamy and lovely. I went ahead with additional milk just to make sure that it is soft enough and baby doesn't get too constipated and easy to digest. Let me know if you like this and what other recipe you'd like me to share. Thank you very much for watching.